Peak. And you're watching the Fantastic Four.
Well, we're in Hong Kong this morning and we're headed to the Peak. So everyone said you come to Hong Kong, you have to do the Peak. So we're headed to Victoria's Peak this morning, gonna take the tram up, and we got up early by Hong Kong standards because everything is closed. And it's Sunday morning here, so maybe that's typical for Sunday morning, but this town stays up late and sleeps in. That's what we've learned the last couple of days. But we're heading to the Peak, and we'll take you along for the ride, so join us.
Hey, so we're on the Peak Tram and we're going up to Victoria's Peak, and we are on something called a funicular tram. I don't really know what that means, but it's got beautiful views. Check it out.
Okay, so we made it to the top of Victoria's Peak, and once you get up here, it's a little known secret that's not so secret really. But if you don't want to pay the $25 to go to the, per person by the way, to go to the Sky Terrace, which is a terrace that you can look out over the harbor, the Galleria Mall, which is right next to the train station, offers a free viewing terrace that's very, very similar to the one you'd pay $25 for. So all you gotta do is walk 3 or 4 minutes across the street, into the mall, up to the terrace, and you got a free view. So anyway, what'd you think of the whole experience?
I'm really glad we did it. The tram was really is cute. It sort of felt like it was like a throwback in time. It's sort of an open air tram, like it had the windows down, and it was just airy, and you could have these really expansive views of the city as you were going up the mountain. So I really am glad we did it. It was enjoyable. So.
And another tip, when you're taking the train up, sit on the right side. Those will be your city views. So just if you happen to be in Hong Kong and do the whole trip, sit on the right side and you'll have unbelievable views of the city. And the 9th tallest skyscraper is actually in Hong Kong, and when you start rising above that, I think you just get a sense of how high you really are going. So
hey, I have one more tip, and that is to get here early. We got here, we left at like 8 and we got here around, I don't know, 8:45 or something, and we were the first in line. So it was awesome because yesterday we stopped by and it was like we couldn't even see the front of the line. It was ridiculous. It probably would have been an hour and a half, 2 hour wait. So definitely early morning is a great time to come if you want to avoid all of the huge tour groups and people who are coming up to see the Victoria's Peak. So yeah, early morning.
Yep, so we're gonna take a look around and we'll get back with you with whatever else we find. So we are always looking for free or cheap, but we found this little outlook here by this pizza place. You can see behind me, Wildfire Pizza, and they have this terrace out here that's free to come out, and it has excellent views. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you, probably the best view we found is in this little nook down here. So let's go this way. Say hi.
Bye.
So seriously, this might be our best view, is this little corner nook here, and you go through there, stick your head through there, and it's amazing. Here we go. So that is downtown Hong Kong, and we found it in this little corner for free. So there you go, find Wildfire Pizza, stick your head through the nook, and you have great views for free. So we're walking down from Victoria's Peak. The whole family's really happy about that. Actually, Ron and I are happy. The young ones are not so much. Autumn, what did Mom and Dad make you guys do? What are we doing?
We're walking all the way back down instead of taking the 2-minute peak tram.
And you're really happy about this, right?
It's only gonna take an hour.
Is it really?
It's gonna take an hour.
Are you happy?
No.
Well, that's our time here in Hong Kong. We really appreciate you guys watching, and we really had fun bringing you all the views from Victoria Peak. We hope you enjoyed it too. If you happen to be in Hong Kong, I would put Victoria Peak at the top of your list. It was really a great experience for us, just to be up there and looking down on all the skyscrapers that Hong Kong has. Just incredible. If you give us a thumbs up today for this video, we'd surely appreciate that. Also hit the subscribe button below. We have a lot more great videos coming your way. Again, we love the Hong Kong skyline, so if you'd like to comment what your favorite skyline is, we'd love to hear from you. So comment below, let us know what your favorite skyline is. Until next time, see you later.